Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to mark videos as watched on YouTube TV. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through your YouTube TV library, unsure if you've already watched an episode or movie? It can be a real pain to keep track, especially with so much great content available. Fortunately, YouTube TV has a few ways to help you manage your viewing history. In this video, we'll cover different methods to mark videos as watched on YouTube TV, ensuring you never accidentally rewatch something or miss out on a new episode. We'll explore options both within the YouTube TV interface and through other helpful features. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tips and tricks on all things tech. Your support helps us create more content like this. Okay, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the challenges. Let's quickly talk about why this can be a problem. Unlike regular YouTube, YouTube TV is focused on live and recorded TV content. This means there are shows you're actively watching, episodes you might have missed, and on-demand content. Without a way to track what you've seen, things get messy fast. Section 2, Method 1. Using the library and watch history. The primary way to manage watched videos is through your library and watch history. Asterisk first, navigate to the Library tab within YouTube TV. Asterisk here, you'll see your recorded shows, movies, and on-demand content. Asterisk YouTube TV automatically marks recordings as watched. A small progress bar appears at the bottom of the video thumbnail after you've watched a significant portion of them, usually around 95%. Asterisk however, if you don't finish an episode, or only watch a few minutes, it might not register. Asterisk to manually influence this, try watching a bit more. If that doesn't work, sometimes simply exiting the playback and returning can trigger the watched status. Asterisk for on-demand content, the same principle applies. Watch enough of it, and it will usually be marked as watched. Section 3, Method 2, utilizing continue watching and new sections. YouTube TV intelligently uses the continue watching and new sections to help you. Asterisk the continue watching section lists videos you haven't finished. Once you've watched a video to completion, or near completion, it will disappear from this section. Asterisk the new section highlights new episodes of shows you've recorded. After you watch them, they'll disappear from new. Asterisk pay close attention to these sections to quickly identify what you still need to watch. Section 4, Method 3, manually deleting from watch history, a workaround. This isn't a direct mark as watched feature, but it can help. Asterisk go to your Google account's YouTube Watch History. You can find this by searching YouTube Watch History in Google. Asterisk find the specific YouTube TV video you want to manage. Asterisk if you have watched something but it's not showing as watched in YouTube TV, deleting it from your watch history might, in some cases, prompt YouTube TV to reevaluate its status. However, this is not a guaranteed fix. Asterisk keep in mind that deleting from your watch history removes the video from your overall viewing history on YouTube as well.
Astérisque astérisque, section 5. Limitation and what you can do. Astérisque astérisque.
It's important to acknowledge the limitations of YouTube TV's mark as watched functionality. Asterisk there is no direct mark as watched button or option. Asterisk you are reliant on YouTube TV's algorithm to determine when a video is considered watched. Asterisk this can be frustrating, especially if you want to quickly clean up your library. Section 6, Tips for better management. While a direct mark as watched button would be ideal, here are some tips to help manage your YouTube TV viewing experience. Asterisk watch episodes to completion, or near completion. This is the most reliable way to ensure videos are marked as watched. Asterisk regularly check the continue watching and new sections. Asterisk keep these sections clean to stay organized. Asterisk use YouTube's watch history. Sparingly deleting history entries can sometimes help, but use it with caution. Asterisk provide feedback to YouTube TV. Asterisk suggest the addition of a manual mark as watched feature. The more users request it, the more likely it is to be implemented.
Astérisque astérisque, conclusion. Astérisque astérisque.
So that's how you can manage watched videos on YouTube TV. It's not perfect, and the lack of a direct mark as watched option can be annoying. But by using the library, watch history, continue watching, and new sections, you can keep your viewing experience relatively organized. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.